Hi there, my name is Precious. I am founder and director of Mosh Music Services. I'm here to say and recommend Make Future IT. I recommend them really highly. I've been working with Mohammed from Make Future IT for the past couple of months in this year already, and he's proved himself to be a faithful, diligent worker, hard worker. He is a very down to earth person, very easy to work with, pays a lot of attention to details and communicates, appropriately, accurately, timely, and always delivers, high quality designs for me for our online, contents and stuff. So I really recommend Make Future IT because I myself will be working with Make Future IT for a long time to come. You heard it from me. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.